Hey guys, I'm Avil back again with another video. This time it is about this Nokia 7.2. In this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing and I'll share with you my initial thoughts about this device, and I'll also share some photos. Initially, how good are the cameras on this device? We'll be checking on that as well. But after that, I'll be making more videos on this device. More comparison videos will be coming soon. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos on this device. And if you've already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. Here is the box, guys, and here we can see it is having this Android One branding and 3 years, after 3 years updates guaranteed. Now on the box they have mentioned, let's see what they have mentioned. Here it says pure display with Pixelworks visual processor. So we'll be checking on this display with, we'll compare it with Nokia 8.1. And it is obviously having this HDR support, Zeiss optics, triple cameras, 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor and 5 megapixel depth sensor, and the front camera is of 20 megapixel. It is having dedicated Google Assistant button, so we'll be checking on that as well. Qualcomm's 660 processor. This is the only worry, if you ask me. That's the only thing that I didn't like about this device. Now, yeah, these are the things that they have mentioned on this box. Now let's open this and let's see what they have included in the box. So if you open this box, here is the device itself. And one thing I would like to tell you guys that, lately I've found that the box that I received from Flipkart particularly, it is not that well packed, and you can see that inside you will find the dirt, dust is there. So this is not good. It's not good. What else we get? This is the other box, SIM ejector tool. Then I believe this box will have the battery and charger. Yeah, this is the charger. And the bad news is that it's just a 10-watt charger, not a quick charger. So they should have actually included, as they have done with Nokia 8.1. And after that, what we get inside? Yeah, this is the USB Type-C cable. That's it. What do you get inside? Then these are the paperworks. I think no one reads. Now the thing that I didn't like is that they should have included at least one TPU cover for this. Now let's unwrap this. So this is the device, and I can tell you guys that it looks beautiful. If you see the color, the texture on the back, it's amazing. And let me tell you one thing, that recently Nokia, almost 7 Nokia phones were awarded with IF Design awards. So that was really amazing, and we already know that Nokia is really renowned for making really good build quality and something different kind of design. And this is no exception, because this one is amazing looking device. And let me give you the overview. Here you can see that on the bottom you can see this USB Type-C port, the speaker grill. Here is the noise cancelling secondary mic. Then on the right edge you have this button. This is the power button. This is the volume rocker. On the top you have this what is it? Headphone jack. And this one, actually this one is the mic for calling, and this one is actually the a secondary mic for noise cancellation, while recording videos. So let me boot it up and I'll be back to you. It also comes with face unlock, so let's set it up. And we'll see how does it work. Start. Yeah, it's really quick, but it is not that secure, I believe. We'll see. After the first boot, this is the default look that you get. Clean, very clean, as it is Android One device plus from Nokia, so no bloatware. One thing I found is that Google One subscription is there for 3 months free trial, and after that 130 rupees per month. If you want to use it, you can go for it. Okay, now let's check settings, then storage. Here you can see that 21% used and 50.76 GBs are free, okay, out of 64 GB. So this is what you have after the first boot. Now let's check the system, advanced system update. Okay, the latest security patch is January and the Android version is 9, so we are still waiting for the Android 10 update. Now let's check the face unlock that it has, unlike other devices. Okay, so you can see that it is not that fast. Okay, yeah, 2 to 3 seconds you have to wait. Okay, so it takes time, it's not that fast, and I would suggest that you should go for the fingerprint scanner on the back. That is more secure than this face unlock, and it is not that optimized, or it is not that fast. Now next thing is that let's check the camera. Okay, that is really interesting because this one is having a different app. It is a different Nokia app. Here you can see that the options are there, the layout is different, panorama, time-lapse, slow motion, lens. Okay, these are there. Now as it is having this wide angle lens, so you can see this. Okay, so this is something that we will be checking. Now night mode is also there. Okay, then video, photo, portrait, and in portrait mode you will get certain features like this: Jais modern, Jais smooth, Jais swirl, okay, Jais modern, and this one. Okay, even you have this beauty mode. Now let's check this selfie. Okay, if it can change my face as well. Yeah, it is looking really good, and yeah. Okay, so we'll be doing a detailed video on this camera, but I can tell you that the front camera is, yeah, it is really good. Yeah, it's really good. So we'll be doing a detailed video on this. Now let's check the settings here. Video resolution, highest is 4K, and front camera 1080p. Then photo resolution, as it is having this 48 megapixel. So at 48 megapixel the ratio will be restricted to this 4:3. So that is not good. We should have get other options as well. Now let's check one thing. Let's check the sound quality and the video quality. So here is a quick sample of video playback on this device, as it is having Pure Display plus Pixelworks. So you can see the quality here. I'll be comparing this one with this Nokia 8.1, which also has Pure Display. So we'll be checking both and we'll see which one is better in terms of video quality. Okay, but I can tell you initially is that this one is looking better according to me, but we'll be comparing this. Now let's check the sound. So here is a quick sound sample and you can check this. So this is the maximum volume. Okay. So this is the maximum. It is loud enough. Yeah. Yes. So it is loud enough, and the position of this speaker grill is also good, because while playing games you cover this portion. So if they placed it here, then it's good. So let's check this Google Assistant button as well. How does it work? We'll see. Do you know me?
You told me your name was Habil. I could never forget that.
Oh, great. So you can see that it works fine, and if you're someone who uses this Google Assistant quite frequently, then you can use it. So it will be really helpful. So this is the end of this video, guys. So let me give you a quick recap of this device and the specs. Now you can see that this one is having this 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with Pure Display technology, and the build quality is amazing. At the bottom you have this USB Type-C port, speaker grill. This is the primary mic. On the top you have this headphone jack. This is the secondary mic, and on the right you have this volume rockers. This is the power button. This is the dedicated Google Assistant button. This is the SIM tray. On the back you have this triple camera setup, 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel wide angle, and this is the 5 megapixel depth sensor. This is the fingerprint scanner on the back, and on the the front. Both are actually protected by glass, but Nokia hasn't mentioned whether it is Gorilla Glass 3 or Gorilla Glass 5, but I believe this is the 3 version. So what do you think about this device? And do let me know in the comment section. And more videos are coming on this device, comparing the cameras, the display, particularly with Nokia 8.1 Mi A3. So I'll be making more videos. So what do you want to see next? Do let me know in the comment section. So guys, that's it in this video, and I'm leaving you with some photo samples. So check on these and do let me know how good are they. Okay, so till the next video guys, cheers.